Alright, my name is Jameer Mutri, aka J Trader. Before we end this video, I just want to let you guys know nothing stated in this video is financial advice. I'm just a stranger over the internet that is passionate about trading. I've been swing trading now for about 3 years, so I'm not claiming to be any sort of professional. I just do understand the behavioral science of a person learning improvement more as they teach something. I don't have any course, nor do I ever plan on making one, just due to the subjective nature of that industry. So with that being said, if you learn just one thing from this vid, it will mean the world to me if you interact with it in some sort of way, whether it be a like, a comment on what future vids you'd like to see, a subscribe if you would even like to see future vids. But yeah, see you guys in the vid. I've been had an idea for this series, guys. But yeah, let's just get straight into it. So what the series basically will be more I'm thinking more of a week by week update, where basically I just come in and talk to you guys about the chart's future moves that I could see. Maybe you guys could potentially profit from those moves. At the same time, it'll honestly just be a journal. That's a video journal of me trading. From time to time, there will be other traders bumping in. And yeah, let's get into this, man. What are we looking for this week? What I would like to see what happened last week was I caught a short last week. I think it was this initial move. I think it was here last week Friday. I shorted it down. Woke up like around 2-3 a.m. in profit. I was up like $500. Didn't take anything off the table. Tragic. Tragic. The tragic life of traders, bro. I didn't take anything off the table. It came back up here. Only made like $100 on it. I'll put a picture up. Boom. Probably inside the top right corner or something. But yeah. So I'm there. So what I'm personally doing is right now I'm personally working on getting funded two 10K accounts right now. One from Blue Guardian, and all the reason I got Blue Guardian from TradingNet. I'll put a screenshot of him, and I'll also leave a description inside of the. I'll also leave his link inside the description, and yeah, and I also trade with Top Tier. I got that from Q. I'll also a picture of Q channels will be up, and I also would leave his thing inside the description. I'll also leave the prop firms inside the description also too, what I do trade with. And yeah, I do repeat, Blue Guardian and Top Tier. 10K funding at the moment. I was funded about 10K at a point, got unfunded due to some minor things, just some minor guidelines issues that I didn't understand. I was basically swing trading on a day trading account. And what I don't like about prop firms, to be honest, I don't like how they use your running equity from the day before. What I try to do, I try to stack trades using my balance. But they go based upon your equity from the day before. So as a swing trader, it's very tricky when you're actually swing trading on a prop firm account. I don't like it. I highly don't recommend it. If you're a swing trader, I really recommend just put your money inside of a normal broker and trade it. But yeah, so also what we're looking for, we're looking morely for on the 4 hour. I like to see push probably down. Looks like it's coming down here, but I think it's gonna push more to the upside. Probably push down to 2200 before coming back down and retesting. Probably this 21,400 area. I don't know. But what I am only looking for longs. That's a big thing about my trading strategy. I if I'm trading, I'm only trading one position, not one position, but I'm only trading one side of the market. Okay, I don't just get in, get out, no. I'm only looking for buys, or I'm only looking for shorts. Okay, so right now, I'm only looking for longs. If GU was to come back down, believe it or not, if it was to come back down to I'll say 1.22, 23 area, it might actually be a good long. Right now, it looks like a good long. But yeah, So yeah, so what we're looking for, we're looking for pushes to the upside this week. If I can get a nice long where we can long up to 2300, that would be a good long. What I would look for this week, up to 2300. The same area right here looks beautiful, golden. If I could get one trade in for this, boom. Look at the computer embarrassing me, guys. But yeah, if I can tap into this, that would be beautiful for me. And plus, if you look on the daily, we look like we may be heading up there. What happened on the daily? Boom. It can be a head and shoulders right here, but I don't think so. I think we tried to break this 2100 area too much. It came out topped. Boom, 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 boom. Who knows though? It can probably potentially run up here and then come back down and form a doji before heading back down. But if it does head down and it does break into 2500, I'm still looking for longs. I'm only looking for longs right around now. I don't think the dollar is too strong long term. Right now the dollar is very weak, and I really looking for just buys right now. This 2500, I love this area. If you could see, we top this area so much. Such a significant area. But yeah, but let's look short term, just to not over this week. Over this week, what I would be looking for though, to be honest with you guys, would be longs. So I'll take a buy. I'll be looking to take buys at 2500. Depending on how it looks around this area too, I would also take a next buy too. It very varies depending on how it look at areas, depending on how momentum is looking. Because if I see momentum is crashing down, why would I be taking buys at 21.2 or 21.3 if I see it like we have all the confluences to keep on heading back down? No, I'll wait for the break for the buy up. That's a big thing, guys. Patience is a virtue inside this market, and I'll be honest with you guys, it's something that I really struggle with. I personally struggle a lot with it. I'm not that perfect trader as yet, and to be honest with you, I hope that this series, like, you guys can actually use to reflect and watch my growth. I probably, hopefully, over the next 10-20 years, I look back at a vid like this and smile and be like, damn, like, you was just in year 3, like, you know, like, you was just starting, you was a cub, you know. Because I honestly, believe it or not, I still feel like a cub, because I want to do this. When I compare myself, I want to do this over the next 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, you know. So this is just day one. All right. But yeah, a long 2300 is an essential. Where are we getting along? We don't know as yet, but a long to 2300 is an essential. If we do come by down and test 2100, that would be a perfect entry. That would be a perfect entry. But yeah, longs is what we're looking for this week. And yeah, what else? Guidelines, future trading plans. Okay. Also, next journal, next moment, what I have coming up. What I do have would be starting up. I would have a series that I have for the shorts. Looking for it. I'm trying about three, like 3 vids a week. With those 3 vids, what I'll be looking for, those 3 vids, I'll mainly be looking for 1 shorts and 2 long content, 2 long form, end of week and a begin of week. This will be the begin of week, and then the end of week will be starting. The end of week will probably be dropped on Friday. I think Saturday, the end of week will be dropped, talking about the future week, and then the trading journal will drop probably like midweek or something like that. I'm not sure. But honestly, I'm gonna learn as I go. This is just the first vid. I just want to get this video there, just to get my feet inside the water, just to say, hey, you have posted a vid. Yeah, so we're looking for longs this week. If we can tap in 2100 area, would be a very significant area to look at, but it looks like we might be coming down. So if we come down, look at that 2300, depending on how volatility looking here, and how volatility looking here, and how volatility looking here. I really think we may come down to this 21 to 2500 area. Those are the more significant areas. So all depending on how we're looking at that, I'm taking those buys. I am taking those buys, and I'll let you guys know how my profits look at the end of the week. See you guys inside the next vid.